It's such a special time watching your baby grow and develop, and there's much excitement when key milestones are reached. The first smile, first giggle, first tooth. All children experience teething. It's perfectly natural. Signs of teething may include putting their hands in their mouth, having red cheeks, dribbling, or perhaps being just a little grumpy. Did you know there is a homeopathic teething relief option for on-the-go parents to ease your child's teething symptoms? Suitable for use from 3 months, Nelsons Teetha granules are recommended by parents across the UK. Containing homeopathic Chamomilla 6C, Teetha granules come in a handy sachet and can be easily popped into your baby's mouth. Nelsons Teetha provides relief from the symptoms and pain associated with teething, so you can relax and get back to the wonders of nature. Nelsons is the UK's #1 homeopathic teething relief brand. It's won numerous awards and is recommended by parents from across the UK. Nelsons Teetha helps teething go that little bit smoother.